Hello friends, what's in this video? Hi guys, what's in this video? It's going to be an unboxing of the Daneli Sound Bomb Mini klaxon horn for the motorbike. So let's go. Hi guys, Crosstourer Tony. Let's get on with this unboxing then. Got this today. It's the Daneli Sound Bomb Mini 100 and lots of decibels, 2 times louder than a normal klaxon. So nice little box, nothing fancy, 2 little mounting brackets in there. There she is guys, the Daneli Sound Bomb Mini. Easy to fix, just 2 regular terminals. Take the wires off the standard horn, fix them on here. Bob's your uncle or Billy's your aunt. Put the mounting bracket through the truck there. There's a nut comes with it. Simple affair. Saw somebody else on the Honda Crosstourer page on Facebook who got this, interested me, so I ordered it straight away. I had the last one. So there we go guys, let's get on and fit it. See you later. Right, here's the 2 feed wires. They come off quite easily. Just push on spade connectors. So we'll get them off. That's there, and we're going to put the new sound bomb onto there. Here's a 12mm bolt. We're going to unscrew that to get access behind the horn to take off the horn. So let's get on with that. Alright, let's just see. I'm getting a bit close there. Ooh, there she goes. You can always get smashed knuckles doing these sort of jobs, can't you? Anyway, that's an easy bolt, 1 bolt and she's off. There she comes. Right, so gonna unscrew this one, put on the new sound bomb and see where we go from there guys. So we're taking off the original Honda mounting bracket if I need it, and now we're going to put it on a new sound bomb. Just taking a look here because yeah, both move. Same nut, so I use the same nut, same mounting brackets. Get on there baby. Yep, there we go. Fine. That looks like that'll have to be around this side. That's where the hole was. Yes. Yeah, we're going to make the bracket work. Well, we take another look now to see if the sound horn, the sound bomb I should say, hits the forks or hits the header or anything. So we'll see how it gets fitted into the bike. Well guys, after lots of fiddling around, I've had to adapt the original bracket that was dead straight like this. So I have bent the part where it bolts to the engine away from the radiator, and then bending it the other way, it's like a Z or an S, so that the horn comes back in again and doesn't foul with anything. So now we'll fit it and see what happens. So I've screwed my adapted bracket, my modified bracket, to the back of the sound bomb. Going to put on my 2 wires if I can. Maybe I need to just get that round there. Okay, let's have a look. Trying to do this in front so you can see how easy it is. Haha, famous last words. It looks like I've got to turn it around a bit more. Just undo this a little. Turn that around there. So that will fit there. And the short one there, long one now. I'll put the long one on the furthest away because it's obviously moved Whoop, get it on tone. There we go. Now we're going to screw that onto there, and then we're going to see if anything hits it on the move. Okay, because it is bigger than the original. Obviously, if it's going to make twice as much noise, it's got to be twice as big. Oh, so what's going on here? Get in there, you. That doesn't seem to be lined up. Right, just give that a twist. These two holes are not... There's a double plates and it's not quite lined up. Let's have a look now. Nope. So we're getting there slowly, boys. A lot of this will be cut out. Bits that you don't want to see. Just get these two lined up again. Ah, that's got it. Now let's see your little baby. Now she's in. And now we're going to get it on there. Oh, first time. Can't be bad. So little bomba. Brumba. Yeah, could that be bent a little bit, I wonder? That could be made to go up there, couldn't it? I will fix that in a moment. Oh, I've got to be quicker with my finger. Get 50 turns, be quicker with my finger. There she goes, getting there now. So fellas, sticking with me, are you? Right, where's that going to be pushed to? Don't want it rubbing on the radiator anywhere. It looks, whoop, get back up there, you. So, a massive piece of equipment. It's not rubbing anywhere. It looks so it's going to be free there. I don't want any sharp pieces of metal rubbing on my horn wire. It looks okay. Let's just bend that up a little bit. I'll bend the spade up, take the wire away from the edge of my rad guard. As you know, I've got a rad guard. So I'll just bend these spades up. There we go. So that's well clear there and well clear. That's alright. Didn't need a spanner. So the cable's free, that's free. Now I'm going to turn it from left to right before I really tighten everything and to make sure nothing hits it. Okay guys. Well, there she is, all well fitted. The wires are free, as you can see there. They're not touching anything. So there'll be no chafing. Let me just check this one here. Yeah. You see, so they're movable. So they're not gonna rub anything. So there we are guys, sound bomb's fitted. So you can see now where the sound bomb's positioned. The fork is going to go round and there's ample space there. It's not going to touch. Top header doesn't touch. And there we go, she's not rubbing on the radiator. No, that's fine. A little bit of vibration. That's okay. Well, there we go guys, she's installed. Quite an easy one. I hope by watching this you have, well, you'll save yourself a few minutes. Here's the original sound from the original horn on the Honda Crosstourer. Sounds a bit like Noddy's beeper on his Noddy car. So let's have a listen now at the new one, see what the difference is like. So we'll try again. Sounds a lot better. Doesn't seem to want to work on just ignition. So I don't know why that is. So I did read it's taking 5 amps, so it probably needs a bit more power coming through to it. So, well, there she is. Sounds like a lorry. There we go guys. Catch you later. See you on the next video.